Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia. I hope you guys are all having a blessed weekend, a blessed day. But anyways, I got this unit from alipearl.com. So if you guys are interested in this one, definitely check down below in the description area where everything's going to be linked for you. But this time around, Alipearl decided they wanted to work with us. So I was like, yeah. So they sent me their 24-inch, 250% density, new and improved deep wave lace front unit. Y'all, this unit has so much parting space. This is their new and improved lace wig. So that lace is clear HD. Those knots are bleached. You're gonna get 13 by 6 inches of parting space, so you can technically part this unit anywhere in the front area. It is also a glueless because it does have the combs, elastic band, and adjustable straps on the inside. But this is how my unit came. As you guys can see, it's pretty much good to go. But I am extra, so I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it down with some water and add a little bit of my mousse just to kind of get those deep waves to kind of pop a little bit. I mean, I don't really think it needed it, but you know me, I'm gonna style my hair either way it goes. So I just went ahead and applied water and some mousse, and now I'm using my curl clumping brush and just going through the hair to get those waves to define. And once the hair is fully dried, we're gonna see what these waves look like, so stay tuned.
Like someone who won't imposter me. Someone I can get used to. I feel like I could get used to you, but you know how it goes. One leave and the next one come on, keep no host. Give them the hugs and I let them go. Show me what you got on it. I'ma make it work more for this, cause you just might, you just might. Don't waste my time, might get me right, change my mind, maybe you just might.
Okay, so now that the hair is fully dried, we're gonna take a look at this wig once again. Now I did cut the lace off camera. This unit did come with lace, but I went ahead and got it off. So now I'm gonna go and get the unit on, and this fit is so nice. Okay, y'all, this fits so good. And can we please look at this hairline? Like, it is perfectly tweezed. But what I am going to do is take some makeup remover and just remove the makeup along my forehead because we are going to install this unit. I'm just taking my Got2b blast spray and spraying a bit of it along my forehead and just blow drying it down so that it becomes really tacky and sticky. And then I'm just going to place that lace right into that Got2b spray, and it should adhere immediately. But if you want an extra melt down, go ahead and take your elastic band and just melt that lace down by applying more heat, and it should come up pretty clear once you remove it. Now of course, if it doesn't, like maybe you might be darker complected, you can take some of your foundation like I did, and I just applied a couple pumps onto my forehead, and I'm just kind of blending it in from my forehead to the lace just so that it has an even transition like this. But y'all, I kind of wanted some baby hairs with this one just to make the front of the unit look a little more, I guess, natural looking. So I went ahead and cut down just a few strands of hair to do a little bit of baby hairs. Okay, we're not doing anything drastic, we're just kind of giving it some swoops and some like dimension. So that is what I'm doing here. I just went ahead and used my Eco Styler gel. Now I'm just cleaning up that parting space by taking some of my LA Pro concealer and just define that parting space. And of course, this is what we are working with now. Y'all can see just how I styled the front of my unit. I just wanted some simple baby hairs. But what we're gonna do now is just kind of soften up those waves a little bit. So I'm taking this wet brush and I'm just kind of gently going through the waves to make the hair look a lot more fluffy. But what I'm gonna do is show you guys just how easy it is for this unit to bounce back. So I made it look fluffy. It was a little bit frizzy. I added some water and some mousse, and bam, it's back perfect again, just like that. Y'all, these waves waves are a must-have. Just look how simple they define. Just a little bit of water and some mousse, and those waves will pop back. So for those of you guys who wear your unit for a long period of time, all you're gonna do in the morning is just apply some water and some mousse and you are ready to go. Like I mentioned, this unit is 250% density, so it's very full. The length of this unit is 24 inches and I am 5'8", so that's where it falls on me. Y'all can see the texture, but here are the angles of the hair, guys. This unit is super cute, especially for these last days of summer. If you're really trying to get one in, I would definitely pick this one up. But the one thing I absolutely love about this unit is the amount of parting space that you do get. You get 13 by 6 inches of parting space, so you can technically part this unit from ear to ear and 6 inches back. You're going to be able to wear this in a left part, right part, middle part, half up, half down, you name it. You're going to get a ton of parting space and those knots are bleached. But what I'm going to do here is show you guys just what a side part looks like with this texture. Let me know if you're feeling this one and I'll be right back.
Change my mind. Maybe you just might come and get it right. Give me life. Change my mind. You like man grabbing the blunt. Not too much down on the bus. Boy, humble tongue never really fuss.
Okay, y'all, so this is what that side part looks like. I love the fact that even though I manipulated the hair a lot, I didn't lose any body or any volume with this unit. It's still very full. But again, y'all, this unit comes from Alipearl. Definitely let me know what you guys think of this one, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.